Welcome back, it's Jerry here with the Happy Hootie, and I've got a wonderful kitchen hack that you're going to want to know about if you don't already. Every time that you go to put in a new trash bag in your trash can, most people end up fighting with it. When I say fighting with it, I mean when you go to put in your trash bag, you go put it on here, it ends up causing problems trying to get the trash bag down in the actual can. When you go pushing things in, this sometimes is so fluffy that it doesn't allow big items to fit down inside. So I've got a way to help out with that. Using a standard household drill and drill bit, what we're going to do is put a few holes to allow that air to escape. Now online I've seen several people that say, oh, just go along and drill some holes along the bottom. I wouldn't recommend that, because if you ever get a hole in your bag, it's just going to flow all over your floor and it's going to create a bigger mess. Instead, what you can do is come up here towards the top edge and actually just drill a few holes right along the top edge. And I'm going to do it on both sides. This will allow the air to escape, so when we go putting that bag in, now any item that you push down in here, it lets the air escape so you have a larger opening for your trash. I do hope you found this helpful. If you did, please go down and click like and subscribe, and we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. We'll see you again next time.